you play anything on it?
Sure. That was a C.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Then I know A minor and an F, and I've been working on a G.
Hey, can you play Tell Laura I Love Her?
I don't know. Has it got a C in it?
Come on, show us a little Elvis.
Magic Changes by Ronnie Dell. C, 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 A minor, F, 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 F. Oh, hold on, who's it? G, 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 G7.
That's terrific.
Thanks! You want to hear it again? C, 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 A minor, F, 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 G, 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 G7, C, 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 A minor, F, 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 G, 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 G7. What's that playing on the radio? Why do I stop swaying to and fro? I have never heard that song before, but if I don't hear it anymore, it's still familiar to me, sends a thrill right through me, 'cause those chords remind me of the night that I first fell in love too. Those magic changes, my heart arranges a melody that's never the same, melody that's calling your name and makes you please come back to me. Please return to me. Don't go away again or make them play again. The music